Well, hey there, everybody. I am Corey Howard, and I'm out here in Spokane Valley at McDonald Elementary, where you can see the damage done here by two pine trees that came down actually in this massive windstorm. And thankfully, now it came down early in the morning, so kids wouldn't have been here anyways, but you can see the playground equipment here. On the other side of that is another swing set that tree just fell completely on and crushed it. Some climbing equipment here. It's really windy out here. Let me know if you guys can hear me. I want to make sure I'm not just talking to hear myself talk. But this is what we're looking at out here at McDonald Elementary, and you can see what the tree in the back there fell on another tree. They both came down and came very close to the building here. You can see that the top of it kind of broke off on this awning here. But as far as damage to the building, not a whole lot, which is amazing. So good news there. Thank you very much for letting me know you guys can hear me. It is very windy. And that is it. So this happened really early in the morning. No kids were here. Crews tell me that they're going to probably wait till tomorrow to clean this up, wait till all this wind has passed, because obviously there's dangers posed to these trees right here. So that's it for McDonald Elementary, and I'll give you guys more information as soon as we get it.